Verifying your Hotels.com account is essential for ensuring the security of your personal information and for accessing all the features of the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Hotels.com website. Open your web browser and go to the Hotels.com website. Log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your account profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate verification options. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled account verification or security settings. This section will provide you with options to verify your account. Step 4. Choose a verification method. Select your preferred method of verification. This may include options such as verifying your email address, phone number, or using two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts for your chosen method. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the instructions provided for your selected verification method. This may involve entering a code sent to your email or phone, or confirming your identity through other means. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation that your account is verified. After following these steps, your Hotels.com account will be verified, allowing you to enjoy a secure and seamless booking experience. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.